So yeah, this is my first time here at the NAMUR main conference. I was invited by my professor from the KIT, Mike Barth. It was a very interesting day already yesterday because we met the other students coming from other universities. And this was good because we had a first meeting of a small group. We kind of knew the terrain already. Yeah, starting today we had the main conference day with interesting keynotes about current state of industry, new features and new knowledge that could be applied within process plants basically. Some of the findings today, so we had some workshops on information models, but also on creating asset administration shells automatically, which is also part of my current thesis. So I'm very looking forward in the next weeks to incorporate some of the state-of-the-art and also have the direct feedback here from the experts that use the technology, but also work on developing new technology. And yeah, all in all, it's a very great just gathering of people. You have the industry, you have the application of new stuff, but also different perspectives on everything. So we have professors, and the whole level is quite equal, so you have a good exchange. So all in all, it's a very nice meeting, I think, and I'm looking forward maybe to join here again next year.